Hi everyone, my name is Genta. I will briefly introduce our new paper on are multilingual models effective in code switching. We recently observed that multilingual language models such as Multilingual BERT and XLMR achieve very promising performance on natural language understanding tasks, especially on low resource languages. Yet, despite the enormous number of studies in multilingual NLP, only very few focus on code switching. So in this work, we study the effectiveness of multilingual models on various code switching tasks and perform evaluation in terms of performance, speed, and number of parameters to measure the effectiveness and efficiency of each model. Here we'll summarize the key takeaway messages of this presentation. We want to show that larger language models are relatively better, but with a substantial cost in terms of the computing time, and some other models are more efficient and effective despite having a smaller number of parameters. For more details, please check our 7-minute presentation. Thank you.